Banana fruit.
Ready? Okay, thumbs up.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maylee. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Can you blow it? Can you blow?
Can you whistle?
Can you blow it?
Whoa,
Blow it?
I don't know,
I don't
Mommy.
think she's going to blow it.
I think she's too distracted.
Yay!
Should have seen Lacey on her first birthday cake.
Yeah.
All over her face. Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Eat.
I want the paper.
You're very
Eat
lady
it.
with it. How are you doing?
Yay!
Yummy.
And
Is
so
that
it begins.
good?
She'd be diving in a minute. Give her a couple more days.
Oh, boy.
Once the sugar starts
Her first artificial sugar.
She's like, everybody's looking at me.
What? Everybody's staring at me.
It's okay to eat this. Isn't it beautiful? What a pretty
Yay.
cake. She's so lady-like, though. She's very dainty, you know. Not like my boys who have been like, raw, you know.
Jumping on it. Or jumping in it.
Yes, it goes.
Yum.
Mmm.
Yummy.
She's deciding that she likes it now.
Everybody can have a cupcake. Should I pass them around?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, we anchored it. We figured this out.
There we go.
Didn't take that long. Oh, there we go. Now we're getting
Figuring it out now.
We have definitely got the process. Yeah.
Yummy,
That's
yum.
yummy, huh?
Is that the best thing you've ever had?
Whoa,
There you go.
There's a handful.
Great job. Yay!
Yay!
That's yummy. Oh, I think you've started something.
Two fists up.
She still hasn't gotten any cake.
Is it still all frosty?
Maybe
That's the best part.
It's probably on purpose.
Yummy. I can do this.
Sure, thank you.
Cutie.
She doesn't want one.
Thank you.
Those little chocolate flowers on the top, made by hand.
Thank you. Wow.
Uh-oh, there's one crying in there.
Oh, I hear that. Thank you.
Wow.
Wayne?
Thing ever.
Wow, that's interesting.
Lacey made them. They're made out of candy. You can eat it.
And they're Lincoln.
Made by hand.
It's pretty cool.
I thought you said no, but I figured if I offered it, you'd
Candy
take
house,
it.
and you just type it. Parchment paper.
Wow. She's digging it.
Is she still just doing the frosting?
She seems to have maybe gotten a little bit of kick, but mostly frosting.
Yep.
Whatever the heck, I think. Is that good?
Thanks, Dad.
What do you think, Carol?
Hi.
Yum.
Ah! Most of the we gotta finish this year. We're gonna put it.
Good.
Send it out. There's a bunch of other places. There's a trailer I built.
Isn't that tasty?
She's a baker, isn't she? Is that what she used to do?
Are you going to
I
Georgia?
couldn't do any of that.
I don't know.
Oh, my.
Good question.
Not a millionaire.
Even
Yeah.
if somebody tried to teach me, I couldn't do it.
Oh, she has cake now.
She's got cake.
Cake alert.
We've struck cake.
We've struck gold.
It is cool.
This is a golden cake.
Ross, did you get one?
Yes, I did.
Her cake is exactly the cupcake baker. Because
Not surprised.
I let go of the-
No, you
I
got
should've
yourself
known
into
that.
a pickle,
Sugar.
man. You
What?
gotta get yourself out.
You were the first
I thought
one?
that was like 6
To have a
cupcakes.
younger little
I don't
thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Not surprising at all.
Not surprised.
Yum.
They're very good. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See it that way.
There we go.
Did you get to the meat of it? Yep.
She's only 10 months old, she can't do that.
Oh.
It's like,
We can't let her eat the whole thing.
Oh, why not?
I feel like she would.
It'll be like 2 times bigger.
From one cake.
Is
She
it
won't
bath
fit in
night?
any of those
It's bath
outfits.
night.
It's definitely bath
You
night.
need your bathtub.
it's my little bit of thing.
That's okay. I kind of feel like it might be coming out both ends.
Little
if she
one.
were me also.
Yeah,
I don't think
you might make your
I
girl
don't think
sick.
she would she?
Here's the,
Huh?
Yeah, she's not used to it.
No.
I don't know, she might try.
I don't think she could.
The cake is bigger than your tummy!
no,
It's bigger than her.
Huh.
here, look, I made this too.
But I'd give it a good college try.
That's right. Where you can close it.
Okay, I want to take
All the night you
Want
make
one?
memory grade.